Want to buy Bitcoin instantly with just your credit card? No complicated bank transfers, no waiting days for approvals. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your credit into crypto and reveal the best platforms to do it safely. Stick around till the end. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Buying Bitcoin with a credit card is one of the fastest ways to enter the crypto world, but there are some key things you need to know. While it's incredibly convenient and allows near-instant transactions, it often comes with higher fees and the risk of card provider restrictions. Trusted exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken make the process smooth and secure. But to avoid potential risks, always use reputable platforms and enable extra security features like two-factor authentication. Credit cards provide an added layer of fraud protection, but they also have stricter purchase limits. If you're thinking about using your credit card for Bitcoin, understanding the right approach can help you avoid financial pitfalls. In this video, we'll walk you through the safest and most efficient way to buy Bitcoin with a credit card, step by step. Stick around to learn how to protect yourself and make the smartest choice for your investment. Why choose a credit card for buying Bitcoin? Using a credit card to purchase Bitcoin is one of the fastest and most convenient methods available. Most major exchanges support credit card transactions, allowing users to buy Bitcoin instantly through their mobile devices or desktops, making it easier to react to market changes. Reputable crypto exchanges that accept credit cards often operate under strict regulations, ensuring security through advanced encryption and compliance measures such as Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML protocols. For beginners, credit card purchases provide a straightforward way to enter the crypto space, as the process feels similar to any online shopping experience. Additionally, some credit card providers may offer fraud protection, adding an extra layer of security in case of unauthorized transactions. Every purchase made with a credit card impacts your credit score, either positively or negatively. Buying Bitcoin or other crypto is more likely to harm your score. Here's why. High credit utilization. Large Bitcoin purchases can spike your credit utilization ratio. Banks view utilization above 50% of your credit limit as risky, lowering your score. Treat it as cash advances. Many banks classify crypto purchases as cash advances, which have higher fees and interest rates. This labels you as a risky borrower. Payment history, risks. Frequent crypto transactions may signal financial instability to credit issuers, affecting their trust in your repayment ability. Did you know? While 85% of global retailers accept credit cards, only 25% take crypto payments. Cryptocurrency adoption is rising, but credit cards still dominate everyday use. You can buy Bitcoin BTC with a credit card on centralized crypto exchanges, CEXs. Popular platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken allow users to purchase Bitcoin instantly using credit cards. Many exchanges also offer instant buy features, letting you buy crypto directly without pre-funding your account with fiat currency. Note: availability varies by region due to local regulations and card issuer policies. Always verify if your chosen platform supports your location and card before proceeding. Credit card transactions for crypto purchases are often declined due to bank restrictions or fraud prevention measures. Here's why it happens and what to do. Bank policies. Many traditional banks block crypto-related transactions. Fraud alerts. Unusual activity, e.g., sudden large crypto purchases, may trigger security flags. Credit limits. Exceeding your card's spending cap or authorization settings can cause declines. Solution: opt for crypto-friendly fintech platforms, e.g., Revolut, Wirex, or digital banks that support seamless crypto transactions. Always confirm your card's limits and notify your bank beforehand. Is there a limit to how much Bitcoin can be bought with a credit card? Wondering how much Bitcoin you can buy with a credit card? It boils down to two things: your card's spending limit, set by your bank, and the exchange's rules. New users often start with just a few $100s, but limits can jump to $5,000 plus weekly as you build trust. Fee warnings, but watch out for hidden costs. Credit card buys come with 3 to 5% exchange fees, way pricier than bank transfers. Some banks even slap on cash advance fees or foreign transaction charges if your card doesn't match the exchange's currency. Fun fact: Crypto ownership could soar to 8 to 10% of adults globally by 2025, a massive leap from just 1 to 2% in 2018. The future is digital, but tread carefully with those fees. How to buy Bitcoin on a crypto exchange. Using a credit card. Purchasing Bitcoin with a credit card is one of the fastest and most convenient ways to get started. Once your account is verified on a crypto exchange, the process takes just a few minutes. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to buying Bitcoin using Visa or MasterCard on Coinbase. The process is similar on other exchanges too. Step 1. Sign up and verify your account. Getting started is simple. Just sign up on a trusted crypto exchange and follow the registration steps. To keep your account extra secure, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection. Most exchanges require identity verification to comply with KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering regulations. This means you'll need to upload a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license. Once verified, you're all set to start buying Bitcoin. Step 2. Add your credit card. Now that your account is set up, it's time to link your payment method. Head over to the payment settings and select Add Payment Method. Choose credit card as your option. Enter your card details just like you would for any online purchase. Then hit Add Card. Once your card is successfully linked, you're ready to buy Bitcoin instantly. Step 3. Purchase your Bitcoin. Now that your credit card is linked, it's time to buy some Bitcoin. Head over to the Instant Buy section and choose Bitcoin, BTC from the list. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Don't worry, the exchange will show your daily buy limit next to your payment method. For example, Coinbase allows up to £10,000 per day. When you're ready, click Buy Now. Your bank may ask for confirmation through your banking app. Just approve the transaction, and within moments, your Bitcoin will be added to your account while the amount is charged to your card. Fast, simple, and secure. Pick your exchange wisely. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so safety starts with choosing the right platform. Stick to big-name exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. They're regulated and have strong security track records. No shady apps. Lock down your login. Next, armor up your account. Use a unique password, no password 123. Enable two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator. It's like a double lock for your crypto. Don't get hooked by phishing. Always type URLs yourself and ignore sketchy, urgent emails. The safety perks. Buying Bitcoin with a credit card is safer than you think. Why? Your bank account isn't directly exposed, just your card. Credit cards offer fraud protection. If something's fishy, you can dispute charges. Built-in spending caps stop impulsive splurges. Perfect for newbies dipping toes into crypto. The catch of fees and limits. But there's a trade-off. Fees hurt. Credit card buys cost 3 to 5% extra, way pricier than bank transfers. Low limits, exchanges cap purchases, especially for new users. Not ideal for big investors. The verdict. So, is it safe? Yes, but use credit cards for small, secure buys while learning. For big crypto moves, switch to bank transfers to save fees. Stay smart, stack sats. Ready to dive into Bitcoin safely? Hit like if this helped, comment your crypto questions, and subscribe for more bite-sized guides. Stay curious, stay secure, and remember, not your keys, not your crypto.